Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today I'm going to unbox the i12 TWS wireless earphones, and it actually says on the box that TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo. So I didn't know that. I didn't know even that TWS has a full form. I thought this was a model number or something. So today I'm going to unbox it. So let's get started. Okay, so the box is pretty nice, I think, and at the back there are some specification about the product. So let's take a closer look at it. So as you can see that it has a charging time of 40 minutes and talk time will give you 2 to 3 hours, and it requires an input of 5 volt at 2.5 ampere. That's how it is determined how fast it will charge, and it is the version 5, so Bluetooth version 5 will work on this. And has a lightning type connected to it, and this looks like AirPod picture, but whatever. And on the box it has also some specifications. It says auto power, auto pairing, touch using Siri, and open the lid to connect automatically. So once you open up the lid it will connect automatically, and this was not a feature on the i9 version. So here is my i9, and once you open up the box you will have to manually switch each one of them and then connect them to the smartphone. So this will not be a case with this one, so let's unbox it. And it actually says full charge the device first, so we are going to do that because I don't want to ruin its battery or something like that. So here are the AirPods itself, and they are wrapped in the same blue plastic that are wrapped around the i9 version. So we are going to keep that aside and let's see what's inside the box. So let's take a look. And up here I think it's the instruction manual, and it's not very helpful because it does not show you how to connect and pair the earphones. And up here is the charging cable, so this will plug in the bottom, and it looks like it has a metallic ring around it, so that's is going to add strength to the port as well. Now let's take a closer look at it. So let's remove the blue tape. Very neat design. So it has a metallic white finish to it, and it is not showing on camera very well, but in real life you can easily spot that. So it has a magnetic lid on it, so it will not come out if you shake it. And the AirPods are also magnetically placed inside the case, so once the lid is open they will not fall. So while it is charging for 40 minutes, let's take a look at the instruction manual because it is very funny and I thought I would share it with you guys. So let's read the warnings first. So it says, please do not overrun this earphone or put it in under heave pressure, and keep away from wet and heat. So we want to keep it away from wet. I don't know wet was a thing, so whatever. And let's see here, headphone touch function. So it has touch functions in it, so that's pretty nice. It is a great improvement over the i9 version, and it says here it operates on a Bluetooth frequency of 2.4 GHz, so that's pretty nice. And the Bluetooth range is 15 to 25 meters, so I mean that's pretty decent for a earphone of this price, because it almost cost around $10, which is, I mean, pretty cheap considering the real AirPods that cost around $250. And up here it is the standby time, so the both ears can stand for 6 hours. I don't know that ears have legs so that they can stand. And touch and play time is around 4 hours for talk time, and for playing songs it is around 2 to 3 hours, but I don't know if it's true because I don't trust this very much. But I will not play a song for 3 hours straight to check that, and it's probably less than that or could be same, who knows. So this manual is pretty basic type thing. I don't know what to say about this. So now let's take a look at the earphones. Let's take a closer look at the AirPod itself. So it has a button over here. It is to turn on and off the case. So it will turn on the case if you need to charge the AirPods through the case, and you can turn it off by pressing the same button. And down here is the charging port. So you will plug in your lightning cable to charge it. This will charge up the device like that. So it will take 40 minutes to charge. So let's take out the AirPod itself and take a closer look at the AirPod itself. So here are the AirPods. Let's take them out of the case. And the case also has a magnetic lid, so don't worry about them falling off. So here are the AirPods themselves, and as you can see that they have no buttons on the side because they are touch sensitive. So you can command them by touching this portion of the AirPods on both of them. So that's pretty nice. And they are a bit taller, I think, in comparison to the i9 version of this. So that's the thing to watch out for. So this is the i9 and this is the i12, and as you can see that it is a bit shorter. The i9 is a bit shorter and the i12 is a bit longer. Okay, so let's turn them around. You can just do that by pressing on the area which I pointed out earlier. So just press on them for 3 seconds. Blue, in both of them the blue light will turn on and they will pair with each other first, and then the right earphone will show a red and blue flashing light. And let me turn off my light to show you how. So as you can see that it is now flashing blue and red light. So that means it is in pairing mode. So let me take out my phone and connect them to via Bluetooth. So here is my phone over here. So let's turn on Bluetooth and go to pair new device, and it shows as i12. So let's click on that and it starts pairing it. We have access to that, and now it is connected to the smartphone, so you can listen to your music or songs or videos. Now once you are done listening to your songs, you can just go ahead and place them in the case just like so, and they will automatically go into charging mode. So the case light will turn on. Let me turn off my light and show you. So as you can see that the case light is turned on and both the earphones are now charging. So as you can see the red light is flashing on both the earphones, so that means they are charged through the case. So that's the thing, and they will charge until they are fully charged and the case light will turn off and both the earphones will turn off. Alright guys, thanks for the video. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.